Why did you decide to put in a paver driveway?
I had had some experiences with pavers in a house that I owned in Pennsylvania, and I was very happy with the way that they looked, and I liked the fact that it was more permeable for water than a regular asphalt driveway. So that was the biggest reason.
What was your driveway, your concrete driveway, like before you put in the pavers?
The driveway was actually asphalt,
Okay.
and while it cosmetically looked okay, there were places where it was low, where it didn't look like it was going to stand up, and there was clearly something wrong with the base. It had probably eroded over time because it was an old driveway. The walk was concrete with bricks on the side, and the walk had a step that was about maybe 4 or 5 inches tall that was a tripping hazard as far as I was concerned. And American Paving Design was able to level that out and make a nice slope so it's easy to get up and not a hazard.
What was the experience living through having a paver driveway put in your house?
It was actually pretty simple. I mean, I parked on the street during the course of the digging and everything, but the team that worked on it was just so professional and so quiet that while the equipment made noise, it wasn't like that it was very disruptive. So inside it was not a problem at all.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
Absolutely. They were recommended to me by my landscaping company, and when I talked to Tim, he was so able to communicate to me what the job was going to entail and how much it was going to be, and was fair with the estimate. And then in dealing with both Steve for the installation and Nicole in the office, it was just a very, very positive experience. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them.
Well, what is it like when you drive up now?
Well, I've had a neighbor stop and say to me that his car doesn't want to pass my driveway. It would like to live here. So it's just a completely different look, and it has opened up the driveway, the house, and I just am very happy with it.